everyone, today I would like to tell you information about COVID-19. So, what is COVID-19? COVID-19 is a virus that attacks our respiratory system or it will cause a respiratory syndrome. So, it was really dangerous for us, ladies and gentlemen, especially for those who have another disease in their body, because it will be a complication and it causes a death. How do we spread from another person to another person? So, it's through air, like sneezing, coughing, or personal contact, like touching and handshaking. Or by touching things that already have virus on it, then you touch your mouth, nose, and eyes before you wash your hand. How do we know that if we have coronavirus or the sign? First, we have flu. Second, cold. 3, fever over 38 Celsius. 4, will be a respiratory problem, like hard to breathe. So, how do we solve this? First, wash your hand after touch anything, like almost everything you touch. You need to wash your hand with soap, minimal 20 seconds, or using a hand sanitizer. 2, wear a mouth mask when you go outside, especially when you are sick. 3, avoid people who have a coronavirus. 4, quarantine or stay at home. That's all we have to do to keep ourselves from the coronavirus. I think that's all about my information today. I hope my information can give you motivation and inspiration. And please, stay healthy and stay safe.
Hi everyone, today I want to explain about coronavirus or Covid-19. Coronavirus disease or Covid-19 is an infectious disease caused by the most recently discovered coronavirus. This new virus and disease were discovered after the spread which began in Wuhan, China, December 2019. Ways to prevent the spread of coronavirus infection are wash your hand, covering your mouth and nose when coughing and sneezing. Avoid close contact with anyone who shows symptoms of respiratory illnesses such as coughing and sneezing. The most common symptoms of COVID-19 are fever, fatigue, and cold. So that's all for me about coronavirus or COVID-19. Stay at home and see you.
Hi, I'm Graciela and I'll tell you about COVID-19. Coronavirus disease or COVID-19 is an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered coronavirus. COVID-19 affects different people in different ways. Most infected people will develop mild to moderate symptoms. Common symptoms are fever, tiredness, and dry cough. Seek medical attention if you have a fever, a cough, and difficulty breathing. Call ahead. Follow advice provided by your local public health agency. To prevent the spread of COVID-19, first, you must clean your hands often. Use soap and water. Second, maintain a safe distance from anyone who is coughing or sneezing. Third, don't touch your eyes, nose, and mouth. Fourth, cover your nose and mouth with your bent elbow like this, or a tissue when you cough or sneeze. Last but not least, stay home. Just stay at your home. Avoiding unneeded visits to medical facilities allows healthcare systems to operate more effectively, therefore protecting you and others. That's all from me. Thanks for watching. Remember, be happy today. Bye!
Hi everyone, my name is Luina from 9B class. So today I will tell you about coronavirus. What is coronavirus? Coronavirus disease 2019 or COVID-19 is an infectious disease caused by acute respiratory syndrome. The disease was first identified in December 2019, while the majority of cases result in mild symptoms, some progress to viral pneumonia or multi-organ failure. The virus is primarily spread between people during close contact, often via small droplets produced by coughing, sneezing, or talking. The virus can survive on surface for up to 72 hours. To prevent the spread of COVID-19, clean your hands often. Use soap and water or an alcohol. Maintain safe distance from anyone who is coughing or sneezing. Don't touch your eyes, your nose, and your mouth. Cover your nose and your mouth with your bent elbow when you sneeze or cough. Stay home if you feel unwell. If you have a fever, a cough, or difficulty breathing, seek medical attention. Call in advance. Follow the directions of your local health authority. That's all for
About coronavirus. Do you know what is coronavirus? Coronavirus is a large family of viruses that cause illness ranging from common cold to more severe diseases like pneumonia, SARS, and MERS. Coronavirus is a new strain of virus that has never been detected in the human body. What is the sign or symptoms? 1. Fever. 2. Coughing. 3. Sore throat. 4. Headache. 5. Hard to breathe. What can I do to protect myself? 1. Wash your hand often with soap and water at least 30 seconds. 2. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, or mouth with unwashed hand. 3. Avoid close contact with people who are sick. 4. Cover your cough or sneeze with a tissue. Dispose of tissue after use. 5. Stay at home. So that's all about coronavirus. Hope you guys can get information for what I said. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you. Bye-bye.
My name is Dimesha Afrita. I'm the student from Dharmaloka Junior High School. On this sunny day but full of illnesses, I would like to tell you all about what is coronavirus, how is it spread, and how we prevent it. First, what is coronavirus? Coronavirus is a virus that attacks the respiratory system. This virus more attacking the elderly and can actually affect anyone, ranging from infants, children, to adults, including pregnant women and nursing mothers. Coronavirus infection is called Covid-19 and was first discovered in the city of Wuhan, China, at the end of December 2019. The virus is transmitted very quickly and has spread to almost all countries, including Indonesia, in just a few months. After knowing what is coronavirus, we must know how it spreads. This virus is transmitted through coughing or sneezing. When we cough or sneeze, the saliva that contains bacterial germs will hit the closest person, so it can affect the person. The last is how we prevent this virus, because this virus is very dangerous and can kill many people. If you want to prevent this virus, you must wear a mask if you want to go out. And if you have returned, don't forget to wash your hands at least 20 seconds using soap and water. If there's no water, you can use hand sanitizer. Always keep a distance from people at least 1 until 2 meters. That's all that I can say about coronavirus. I apologize if there's a mistake. I hope the explanation is useful. I hope this disease will end quickly.
Hello everyone! In this video, I will tell you some information about COVID-19. What is COVID-19? COVID-19 is the infectious disease caused by the most recently discovered coronavirus. This new virus and disease were unknown before the outbreak began in Wuhan, China in December 2019. This virus attacks the respiratory system. Then, we should know what is the symptoms of COVID-19. The most common symptoms of COVID-19 are fever, dry cough, tiredness, and difficulty breathing. On average, it takes 5 until 6 days from when someone is infected by the virus for symptoms to show. However, it can take up to 14 days. People with mild symptoms who are otherwise healthy should self-isolate. COVID-19 is very dangerous. How to prevent COVID-19? COVID-19 can be prevented by: first, wash your hand frequently with soap for 20 seconds, especially after touch other things that people have touched. Second, use a mask when going out. Third, try not to touch your face before you wash your hand. Fourth, apply social distancing and stay at home. 5th, when you're coughing and sneezing, try to close it with your elbow, like this. So that's all some information about COVID-19 from me. I hope it's gonna be useful for all of us. Thank you for your attention. Stay safe and stay healthy. Bye.
Hello everyone, my name is Maranatha Dilan. I want to tell you about COVID-19. COVID-19 is a coronavirus originating from Wuhan, China. This virus is a virus that attacks the respiratory system, which can be transmitted very quickly. Common symptoms of this virus such as fever, coughing, and shortness of breath. How to prevent COVID-19 can be a way to wash hands, keep clean, stay at home, exercise routine, and so much information for me. Thank you.
Coronavirus or Covid-19 is a virus that can cause illness ranging from common cold to severe acute respiratory syndrome, SARS, and Middle-East Respiratory Syndrome, MERS. Coronavirus originally came from Wuhan, China in the end of December 2019, later named Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome Coronavirus 2, SARS-CoV-2. The symptoms of coronavirus is fever, headaches, sneeze, cough, sore throat, muscle pain, repeated shaking, shortness of breath. It takes 5 days for coronavirus to show the symptoms, but some people will get them much later. The World Health Organization, or WHO, say the incubation period for coronavirus is up to 14 days. How to prevent coronavirus? First, wash your hand. Wash your hand with salt or water can kill the virus. Second, maintain social distancing. Maintain at least 1 or 2 meters with everybody. Third, don't touch your eyes, nose, and mouth with your hand. Hand touch many things, and it can pick up virus. Fourth, when you sneeze or cough, cover your nose and mouth with your bent elbow or tissue. That's all for me. Goodbye.
Hello everyone. So today I will explain to you all what is COVID-19, how are the symptoms, and how to prevent COVID-19. COVID-19 is an infectious disease caused by severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2. The disease was first identified in December 2019 in Wuhan, the capital of China's Hubei province, and has since spread globally. Those infected with the virus may be asymptomatic or develop flu-like symptoms such as fever, cough, fatigue, and shortness of breath. Preventive measures to reduce the chance of infections include staying at home, avoiding crowded places, washing hands with salt and water often and for at least 20 seconds, and avoiding touching the eyes, nose, or mouth with unwashed hands. Covering the mouth and nose with a tissue when coughing or sneezing, and recommend using the inside of the elbow if no tissue is available. That's all from me. Hopefully we are healthy. Stay at home. Bye.
Hi guys, today I want to give you an information about coronavirus or COVID-19. Coronavirus or COVID-19 is a new discovered infectious disease caused by coronavirus. Coronavirus was first discovered in Wuhan, China at the end of 2019. Coronavirus also attacked our respiratory system, so most people who are infected will suffer from difficulties in breathing. What are the symptoms of coronavirus? Most people who are infected by coronavirus will suffer from mild to moderate symptoms. Those symptoms are fever, dry cough, cold, and difficulties in breathing. How to prevent corona? You can help prevent corona by first, wash your hands using soap and water oftenly. Second, don't forget to wear a mask every time you go outside. Third, always bring a hand sanitizer with you every time you go outside. That's all I can tell about coronavirus or COVID-19. Thank you.
Hello everyone, today I will tell you an information about COVID-19 or coronavirus. COVID-19 or coronavirus is a new type of virus that can be transmitted to humans. This virus was first discovered at the city of Wuhan, China at the end of December 2019. Coronavirus was a collection of a virus that can infect respiratory tract. Initial symptoms of this virus are cold, flu, headaches, and fever. Transmission of this virus is very easy, so we must be careful of physical contact with other people. Prevention can be done by keeping distance at least 1 meter from another, and we must use masks and in a public place.
Hi, I am Jovan from 9C. I'm going to tell you about coronavirus disease. Coronavirus disease or Covid-19 is an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered coronavirus. Most people infected with the Covid-19 virus will experience mild to moderate respiratory illness and recover without requiring special treatment. Older people and those with underlying medical problems like cardiovascular disease, diabetes, chronic respiratory disease, and cancer are more likely to develop serious illness. Protect yourself and others from infection by washing your hands or using an alcohol-based rub frequently and not touching your face.
Today, I want to tell you what is COVID-19. COVID-19 is a virus that attacks the human respiratory system. According to the World Health Organization, coronavirus are a family of virus-caused illness, ranging from the common cold to more severe disease, such as severe acute respiratory syndrome or SARS, and the Middle East respiratory syndrome or MERS.
Well, in general, there are 3 symptoms that can indicate someone is infected by the coronavirus. The first one is fever, or the body temperature above 38 degrees Celsius. The second one is cough. The third one is hard to breathe. Well, there are 6 preventions to avoid the coronavirus. First, wash your hands carefully and frequently. Second, avoid touching your face. Third, cover your mouth and nose while you are sneezing or cough. 4, don't gather in group. 5, wear a mask or a homemade mask. 6, self-quarantine if you are sick.